Ndewonwo kekunumere. So I'm here today to talk to you about how to create future tense in Igbo. So far we've gone over past tense, we've gone over future, and now we will talk about future tense, which is just as simple as the other two tenses. So for future tense, you must use ga. Then if you're writing hyphen, then a or e, then the verb root. And so what's so easy about this and what helps me remember future tense is that we know that ga means go. And so it directly helps you create the idea of, for example, if you want to say, I will go, it's also I am going to go, as English says it. Or I will eat, I am going to eat. So again, to create the future tense, it's ga hyphen a or e, then the verb root. So let's take a look at some verbs that we've discussed. So for example, come, we know is bia. So if you want to say will come, simple, ga hyphen, in this case, a, bia, ga bia, will come, is going to come. If we want to say will do, for example, she will do it. Ooh, let's do a full sentence. She will do it. She, we know is all. Then ga, then this time we add e, and then the verb root, which is me. So the full sentence would be oge me ya for it. Then if you wanted to say, I will see her, how would you say that? Thinking of what we've learned about ga, then hyphen, then the a or e, comment below how you would say, I will see her. Kaldi.